Telecoms, we're an African smartphone manufacturing plant, come to the NCC today to look at potentials of putting up a smartphone manufacturing plant in Nigeria. The NCC is extremely impressive in the way they're doing things and looking at things. So we've had a very, very positive interaction and are even more excited about the prospects of this project.
We need to start manufacturing terminal devices that Nigerians will use in order to access telecommunication services. So this delegation that came is going to explore manufacturing of affordable smartphones that Nigerians can be able to buy and access telecommunication services. And as you are aware, we are trying to expand broadband connectivity by addressing infrastructure deficit in this country. You recall the NCC has already licensed 6 infrastructure companies that will be deploying broadband infrastructure in the 6 zones of the country. Lagos is one of those, the zones, and then you have the 6 other geopolitical zones of the country. The idea is to drive the massive capacity in data at the landing point into the hinterland. And once we can do that, then the next thing will be, how can Nigerians access broadband services? All investors are welcome. The investment space is big, and competition helps to bring down prices. Okay, Nigerians will be looking for quality, as well as affordable services.
It's been very fruitful, and I'm extremely impressed with the depth and the breadth of what NCC is doing and the true impact that they're creating and the vision that they have. So I'm very excited to play our tiny little role in helping this vision come to life.